Then the separator has another very important property, that is the melting or shutdown temperature. Okay, as you know, in the cylindrical cell, when some failure occur, the temperature, the internal temperature, start to raise very quickly. Okay, since the failure triggers some chemical reaction, exothermic chemical reaction, which produce heating. Okay, and the heating accelerates the kinetic of the chemical reaction themselves, and this is a chain effect. Okay, so there is a passive safety property of the separator which which is triggered by the temperature. Okay, when the temperature is high enough, okay, to melt, for example, to melt down the PE, okay, the polyethylene will close the micro and nano pores of the separator, shutting down the cell and avoid any kind of ionic flow through the separator itself. Okay, so let's assume that we have a 3-layer separator. Okay, so this is a polypropylene. Okay, and this is a polyethylene, and again a polypropylene. Okay, if the separator reach around 140 degrees, the polyethylene, the PE, start to melt down and moves to the PP in order to close the micropore. Okay, when the micropore are closed, there's no chance for the lithium ion to flow through the separator, and this is called shutdown effect. Okay, it's a passive safety property of the separator triggered by the temperature. But how the separator looks like? This is a film of separator. Okay, and you see it's very resistant. Okay, this is broken. It's very resistant. Okay, and we can show is white color. Okay, very thin. So coming back to our properties, we can say one property is the thickness. Okay, one property is the shrinkage, the resistance of this from the shrinkage, the penetration resistance. Okay, the melting or shutdown temperature. Okay, and for sure, related to the thickness, we can say the density. Okay, let's remind the separator doesn't have any function to increase the energy density in our battery cell. Okay, so we need to find a compromise between thickness, density, and all mechanical properties in order to make our battery cell safe. Okay, but in the meanwhile, reduce the impact in terms of weight, in terms of volume in our battery cell. This is a very quick overview about our separator properties. Okay, and in the next video we talk about cathode, anode, and all the other manufacturing process which involve our separator, so for cylindrical cell and even for prismatic and pouch. Thank you very much, and see you soon.